Welcome to this session on deploying Store apps via Intune to enhance your company's security posture. My name is Joe Lurie, and I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of using Store apps and why you should deploy them to your managed devices using Microsoft Intune. Deploying Store apps via Intune is not just about convenience. It's a key enabler of Zero Trust by ensuring secure, policy-driven access to trusted applications. Let's look at how deploying Store app with Intune enhances that Zero Trust. Distributing apps by making them available in the Microsoft Store is a great choice for developers. Today's Microsoft Store not only supports UWP or Universal Windows Platform apps, but also desktop apps like Progressive Web Apps or PWA apps, MSIX, and even Win32 apps. And Microsoft Store apps update automatically. All Store app submissions go through security testing, technical compliance tests, and even a content compliance check. In other words, all Store apps are verified by Microsoft. By integrating the Microsoft Store with Intune and using Intune to deploy those Store apps, you know that those apps are coming from a trusted repository. And you can turn off the Store app on the devices instead and use Intune to deploy those Store apps so you control which apps are installed on all managed Windows devices. Let me show you how easy it is to turn off the Store app on the devices using Intune in the Intune settings catalog. I'm in the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. I'm focused on devices. Now I'll click Windows and then Configuration. The policy that I'm creating is a settings catalog policy. I'll click Create to turn off the Store application. So let's name that Turn Off the Store Application. Next. And remember, this will not stop those curated, verified Store apps from installing from Microsoft Intune, but it'll prevent the end users from launching the Store app and installing an app that we may not have vetted. From the settings catalog, I'll expand administrative templates, I'll come down to Windows components, and I'll browse to the Store. Of course, I could also search for that setting up here, but I know where it is, so no need to search. And I'm looking for the Turn Off the Store Application setting. I found it. Go ahead and close that, and I'll enable that setting. When I get to assignments, I'm going to assign that to all of my users. I'll click Next, and then click Create. And there we go. Now only vetted, approved Store apps that we deploy through Intune can be installed on those end user devices. And finally, deploying Store apps only through Intune, you're reducing the risk of malicious apps being installed on the end user devices, even accidentally by IT. In closing, your call to action is to turn off the Store app on your managed Windows devices and use Intune to deploy Microsoft Store apps.